let's get to know the amazing and timeless Sophia Loren, a true legend of classic Hollywood. Born in Rome on September 20th, 1934, Sophia continues to charm the world at 90 years old. She's still active and important in the film industry. After a 15-year break, she successfully returned to the big screen, showing that her passion for cinema remains strong. Despite her age, Sophia says she feels as young as she did in her 20s, and her elegance and vitality continue to fascinate us today, just as they did 70 years ago. "I feel wonderfully well for my age. I completely agree," she says enthusiastically. So, what's her secret to aging so gracefully? How does Sophia make age just a number? In this exclusive video, Sophia Loren shares the secrets of her well-being, revealing the practices that help her maintain her energy, strong bones, and good health. She talks about her exercise routine, which includes activities that promote flexibility and muscle strength, and about her beauty secrets for preserving her natural charm. Sophia is a huge fan of the Mediterranean diet, rich in fresh and healthy foods, and she highlights the three fundamental ingredients that she considers essential for a long and healthy life. She also reveals a morning ritual that she follows consistently, a special drink that energizes her body and mind to face the day with vigor. In addition, she talks about an aromatic oil that she applies to her joints, which is essential for maintaining mobility and preventing discomfort. Don't miss the chance to learn Sophia Loren's timeless secrets and discover how she lives a healthy and fulfilling life, no matter her age. First things first, if you want more tips on health and longevity, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos. Sophia Loren's story is an amazing example of resilience and success. Born during World War II in a devastated Italy, she faced many challenges with determination. She used her charisma, natural talent, and her mother's constant support to succeed. Her rise in Italian cinema was fast, with Sophia becoming a true icon in the 1950s. Her career peaked in the 1960s with the movie Two Women, which earned her the first Oscar awarded to an actress for a role in a language other than English. This award not only cemented her status as an international star, but also showed her ability to touch the hearts of audiences with her authentic and powerful performances. However, it wasn't just her talent that won over hearts around the world. On the set of The Pride and the Passion in 1957, the legendary Cary Grant, one of Hollywood's most charming actors, couldn't resist Sophia's magnetic charm. Despite the 30-year age difference between them, their chemistry went beyond the screen and into real life, causing a stir in the media and among fans. Despite the passion that blossomed on and off the set, Sophia stayed true to her values and her private life. Immersed in the glamorous world of Hollywood, she remained devoted to Carlo Ponti, the man who would become her life partner and husband. This choice not only reflected her loyalty and integrity, but also highlighted her moral strength in an environment filled with temptations and distractions. Sophia Loren's story celebrates strength, talent, and loyalty, qualities that have made her one of the most respected and admired figures in world cinema. When talking about Hollywood, it's impossible not to mention the incredible and lasting friendship between Sophia Loren and Audrey Hepburn. Despite taking different paths to fame, these two cinematic icons found a deep connection through their love of acting and mutual respect. Often called the Italian Marilyn Monroe for her stunning curves and unparalleled beauty, Sophia built a career marked by talent and elegance, captivating audiences worldwide. To maintain her extraordinary appearance and vitality to this day, she follows a disciplined routine that begins at the crack of dawn. Every day, at 5 in the morning, she gets up for a brisk walk through the quiet streets of her neighborhood in Geneva, Switzerland. Rain or shine, Sophia doesn't give up this daily habit, and it's not hard to see why. Studies by Harvard University confirm the powerful benefits of regular walking. It can lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. Just 21 minutes of walking a day can reduce your risk of heart disease by an impressive 30%. Also, those who walk at least 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, have 43% fewer sick days, and when they do get sick, they have milder symptoms. Sophia Loren, who is about to turn 90, knows these benefits well and incorporates them into her daily routine. For her, walking is not just a physical activity, but a secret to longevity that keeps her body healthy and full of energy. While many may underestimate the power of a simple walk, Sophia shows that this practice can be the key to a long and healthy life. What about you? Have you included walking in your routine? Leave your comment below. After her morning walk, Sophia has a ritual that goes beyond just exercise. She enjoys a special tea every day. It's carefully chosen to keep her gut healthy and maintain her youthful energy. This daily tea is one of her secrets to staying vibrant and healthy. In addition to tea, Sophia uses a soothing oil on her skin, especially her joints, whenever they feel stiff. This treatment is important for staying mobile and feeling good, especially now that she's in her 80s. But wait, there's more! Sophia also does 45 minutes of rhythmic gymnastics every day. It's something she's made even more of a priority as she's gotten older. When the weather's nice, she exercises right after her walk. Her routine includes arm circles, heel raises, gentle stretches, and leg lifts while sitting down. Sophia believes that this routine not only keeps her in great shape, but also helps her mentally, allowing her to stay positive. These habits have been part of her life for many years and are key to her health and longevity. Sophia Loren is living proof that daily movement, self-care, and healthy habits can keep you feeling young and looking great, no matter your age. If you're curious about her special tea recipe and want to know more about her soothing oil, keep watching. These secrets could transform your routine and help you feel your best. Sophia Loren is known around the world as one of the most beautiful women, and one of her secrets to keeping her skin looking young and bright is to take a bath in virgin olive oil every now and then. She loves to use this ingredient. Sophia found out that olive oil isn't just good in the kitchen, it's also great for your skin. But what exactly is an olive oil bath, and how can we try this anti-aging treatment at home? You don't need to fill the whole tub with olive oil. You really don't. Glamour UK magazine says Sophia's secret is simple. Just add a few tablespoons of olive oil to a warm bath. To try this at home, you can add a few cups of olive oil to your bath water. It's like a luxurious spa experience for your skin. Olive oil is full of things that are good for your skin. It has vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats. It's a great natural moisturizer. Olive oil has squalene and vitamin E. Those help keep your skin hydrated, soft, and nourished. Olive oil also has antioxidants like vitamin E and polyphenols. These fight off damage from the sun and pollution, which can cause wrinkles. Olive oil can also help repair skin that's been damaged by the sun. It can even help small cuts heal faster. Olive oil can even be used to take off your makeup and clean your skin. It leaves your skin clean and hydrated without any harsh chemicals. This simple beauty routine, which Sophia Loren does sometimes, shows how powerful natural ingredients can be for your skin. Try adding olive oil to your beauty routine, and you might see the same great benefits that help Sophia look amazing at 90 years old. Sophia Loren shows us that the best ways to live a long and beautiful life are often the simplest. She's a perfect example of how powerful a healthy and balanced lifestyle can be. One of the key aspects of her well-being is the Mediterranean diet. It's a way of eating inspired by the food traditions of Italy, Greece, and other countries around the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean diet encourages eating mostly plant-based foods like whole grains, olive oil, fresh fruits and veggies, beans, nuts, and a variety of herbs and spices in every meal. Protein is eaten in moderation, with a focus on lean sources like fish and chicken. Speaking of pasta, Sophia once joked, "Everything you see iota spaghetti." While pasta is often linked to having a lot of carbs, recent studies show it can be part of a healthy diet, especially in places where it's eaten in moderate portions. Its low glycemic index helps you feel full for longer, which makes it a smart choice for staying fit. Sophia's advice is simple. Enjoy pasta in moderation and choose light sauces for a balanced meal. Sophia Loren follows a balanced and mindful approach to eating, consuming around 1,000 calories per day, spread across 3 main meals. Her day starts with a light breakfast, continues with a nutritious lunch, and ends with a moderate dinner. While pasta holds a special place in her diet, Sophia manages her carb intake and prefers pasta over bread. The 3 essential foods Sophia Loren considers fundamental for longevity are: first, whole grains. A pillar of the Mediterranean diet, whole grains are packed with fiber and nutrients that support heart health and regulate blood pressure. Second, fish and chicken. Sophia consumes lean proteins in moderate amounts. Fish, especially those rich in omega-3s like salmon and sardines, is crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Chicken provides essential protein for maintaining muscle mass and overall well-being. Third, olive oil. Sophia's favorite and a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil is rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which help lower bad cholesterol and maintain optimal levels of good cholesterol. As promised, here is the recipe for Sophia Loren's special drink. After her morning walk, the key ingredient is pomegranate. Rich in about 15 amino acids, pomegranate is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, capable of improving physical performance and promoting recovery. To prepare the tea, remove the seeds from the pomegranate and place them in a saucepan. Add rosemary leaves, raspberries, and a teaspoon of dried green tea. Add water, stir, and bring to a boil. For an added benefit, you can add a slice of lemon to the tea. This drink is perfect for those looking for an energy boost before exercising or wanting a revitalizing infusion that promises to provide vitality and freshness. And here's another gem of wisdom from Sophia Loren's wellness book, a simple oil-based recipe inspired by her mother, designed to keep bones and joints strong. Sophia discovered the power of olive oil to soothe aching joints, and now shares this special recipe. To prepare it, start with 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cloves, which help reduce joint pain. Add 3 cloves of minced garlic and, of course, her favorite ingredient, olive oil. Mix everything together and heat the mixture using a double boiler until it boils. Strain the mixture and let it cool for an hour. Once cooled, store the oil in a cool, dark place for 10 days so that the flavors blend and the healing properties intensify. When ready, massage this aromatic oil on varicose veins, aching joints, tired legs, or even your neck. Sophia guarantees its effectiveness in relieving pain, making it a precious natural remedy. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and stay tuned for our next episode.